This is a used 2006 Nissan Pathfinder, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 4-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include steering wheel controls, trailer hitch, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, a trip computer, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: independent suspension, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Planet Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 20403 I-45 North, Spring, Texas 77388.